If motivation actually worked, everyone who felt motivated once would already be successful, but they are not. And here's why. Everyone is wanting for motivation. Motivation to study, motivation to wake up early, motivation to change their life. But there's the uncomfortable truth. Motivation is not the solution, it's the excuse. We have been taught a lie that successful people feel motivated all the time. They don't. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions are unreliable. Some days you feel motivated, some days you feel lazy, some days your brain says tomorrow. If your progress depends on motivation, your success depends on mood, that's dangerous. Your brain doesn't want success, it wants comfort. That's why you scroll instead of studying, you plan instead of starting, you wait instead of acting. Your brain always chooses the easier option. Motivation comes after action, not before it. Wanting for motivation is like wanting for muscles before joining the gym. It does not work that way. Successful people don't ask, "Do I feel motivated?" They ask, "What needs to be done?" They rely on systems, habits, and discipline. Discipline works even when motivation disappears, and motivation always disappears. So stop wanting to feel ready, start acting unready, because motivation didn't change your life, action will. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next video, inshallah.